Welcome to the JMT.
Rivers State Governor don't hold meeting with security personnel to talk about the safety of the people. My correct people, how we do alright. We don't come again for this our news channel. If this one are the first time when you see this kind of video, I beg make you do well to go subscribe to our news channel. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news will they bring on this platform will they enter your phone, bankam, and you go be the first person to know say this kind of thing that is up around this world. Oh, don't forget say information or power. Oh. Anyway, for today's news, we want to talk about this Rivers State Governor. We don't come and talk to police personnel. He don't hold meeting with them. Talk say he know say they get good relationship with the police. So therefore he wants better collaboration with them so that they go fit do well to secure the people and the state. He can talk many things. Even the police people still talk one or two about the matter. So they know say the primary assignment for a governor for a particular state now to safeguard the people and make sure say their welfare dey alright. My people, I go leave una to the video make una see wetin dey talk. You wanna watch this video to the end.
Welcome to the JMT.
Privileged to be in your midst this morning. Your Excellency, we are grateful that you could find time out of a very tight schedule to permit us to come this morning. Thank you very much. First is to congratulate you of your success in the last election and to observe that you hit the ground running. Congratulations, sir. So I want to observe that the primary purpose of government is security and welfare of the citizenry. And I'm sure that your government is committed to ensure this is achievable in Rivers State. And we, as primary critical stakeholders in the security industry and lead agency in internal security, are not only willing, but we want to assure you that we continue to partner and synergize with your government to ensure that that mandate that the Constitution has given you is achieved as the Chief Security Officer of the state. We, from time to time, as our father, we come with one request or the other to ensure that our security architecture, security logistics are functioning well. Please, when we come, kindly oblige us. It's not going to be a very long speech. It's not a speech day. In all, I say thank you very much. God bless you and strengthen you and give you the capacity to continue to deliver. Thank you very much, sir.
At this point, on behalf of the government and the good people of Rivers State, welcome you to our dear state. Our state is one of the states in this federation, if not the only state that has one of the most wonderful relationships with security agencies. Our duty is to make sure we protect the life and property of our citizens. We still work to ensure that our people are protected. Development in this state cannot be achieved, or so far, even the ones that are recorded, we only achieve them because life and property in this state have been secured. In our own administration, we intend to do more for the welfare of our people. So I want to assure you, as a government, we will continue to work with you people, give you all the necessary support.
My people, hope una don watch the video finish o, una don hear wetin the police in command talk and wetin the governor talk. Chuchu wetin they talk no be lie o, because safety na the major priority before we come dey think of one or two things wey we go put for belle. Anyway, my people, now this one we bring for our news today. We'll make una do well to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una stay safe for una do.
DJ